Hey everyone, and welcome to my review of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. This is the most advanced mid-range smartphone from Xiaomi, and it comes with a number of impressive features. Let's start with the display. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means that the display is very smooth and responsive, making it ideal for scrolling, gaming, and watching videos. The display also has a resolution of 1220 x 2712 pixels, resulting in a sharp and vibrant image. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1180 chipset. This is a powerful mid-range chipset that is capable of handling most tasks with ease. The phone also comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB/256 GB of USS 3.1 storage. This means that the phone should be able to handle multiple apps running at the same time without any lag. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus has a triple-lens rear camera system with a 50MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide sensor, and a 2MP macro sensor. The 50MP main sensor is the first 50MP sensor to be used in a Redmi Note phone, and it should be able to capture excellent photos and videos in most lighting conditions. The ultra-wide sensor is useful for taking landscape photos and group photos, while the macro sensor is useful for taking close-up photos of small objects. The front-facing camera on the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is a 16 sensor. This should be able to take sharp selfies and video calls. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus has a 5020 mAh battery with 67W fast charging. This means that you can charge your phone from 0 to 100% in just 30 minutes. The 5020 mAh battery should also be able to provide you with a full day of use on a single charge. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus also comes with a number of other features, including IP68 dust and water resistance rating stereo speakers, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, NFC support, Android 12 operating system conclusion. Overall, the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is an excellent mid-range smartphone that offers great value for money. It has large and beautiful display, a powerful chipset, ample RAM and storage, a versatile camera system, a long-lasting battery with fast charging, and a number of other useful features. If you are looking for a mid-range smartphone with a great display, performance, and camera, then the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is a great option. Thanks for watching video footage of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus being used in different scenarios, such as gaming, taking photos and videos, and browsing the web. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus is the perfect phone for anyone who wants a powerful and feature-rich device without breaking the bank with its large and beautiful display, powerful chipset, versatile camera system, and long-lasting battery. The Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus has everything you need and more.